Hey guys, Gbpusd here. Now it's been a massive run for GBPUSD. Today, Wednesday, the 13th of August. 2025. So it's done over 70 pips here just this morning after London session open, confirming the uptrend. All right, now I'll just quickly show you what made me take some buys here. Though I'm out of the trade because price has gotten to my target, which was, if you check, let me show you, which was this 1 hour bearish fair value gap right here. That was my target. All right, that was my target for the entire run, but I'm shocked to see that price has reached that point today. I thought maybe to get to that point around Friday, but as we see, it has been rallying all morning. So now, why did I decide to take a buy this morning? First things first, Tokyo session was coming to an end, but then price had been continuing to break structure to the upside and then make higher highs. So London session came in around here, that's around 8 a.m. and then broke structure further to the upside and then retraced to the 50 EMA here on the 1 minute chart and continued upwards around 8 a.m. here to the upside, and then it now still broke structure again. Remember, structure is the most important thing here, the structure of the market, and then it showed very strong bullish tendencies. So I got in around here before London session open, seeing the uptrend, and then when I saw that price, the London session open was intending to continue upwards by this strong bullish move, breaking structure to the upside, I held my trades and I added more. All right, remember, we're scaling the trend. Trend scaling is part of our strategy slits. So continued all the way up to 135 800 or thereabouts. So now, I'm sorry, 135 700. Okay, so now what we're seeing is that price has reacted to that region, went a bit above it, and has started to retrace gradually. Now, of course, it's past 11 London session time, Nigerian time too, and we can see that volume is not as strong as it was hours earlier. So it's wise to just be careful. Just be careful at this point. Now, there's something I need to point out to you, which is based on how the market played out yesterday and during the Asia session. Now, yesterday, there was a period in the market where there was just consolidation, right? Consolidation. That was around 9:10 a.m. yesterday. 11 a.m. around that time also. So it was just consolidating, acting like it didn't know where it wanted to go. Now, the thing that you should take note of, number one, is wait for a breakout. Either you're just waiting for a breakout, or you're waiting for price to take liquidity and then retrace to a POI that you can now take a buy from or take a trade from. But once you see consolidation consistently like that, and it looks like price is not sure where it wants to go, just wait it out until you see a move that tells you the direction the price may want to go in, or price revisits or visits your point of interest, and so you can now take a trade from there. Right, so this is by no means financial advice. Do your own research before you take your positions, but this is just to remind you that our analysis and our forecasts, regarding the direction of the GBP USD was spot on, because once we saw that break on the on Monday last week, we saw a bullish move, a change of character on the 1 hour time frame, and then we decided that price was definitely going to continue moving to the upside. This was it right here. There was a change of character with the news, another break of structure to the upside, and price continued to tell us that it was bullish on the 1 hour chart, and that is why we have been buying every single day since then. But at this point, now that price has gotten to this on the 4 hour chart here, let's see, it has gotten to this high here, this daily swing high. We're going to be cautious, especially as that order block is there looking at us like that 4 hour order block. There might be a strong reversal, or price may break above it and then head for the weekly high at this level here, the 137 area. But let's keep our fingers crossed and keep watching the markets. Remember, if you don't see your setup, don't trade. I'm Cryptosician and I'm out.